Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in this video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So you see this gorgeous unit that I have today. This is from Recool Hair. Shout out to Recool Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So this is a 5x5 HG lace glueless body wave install. I installed this wig completely glueless, no spray, no glue. I did have someone ask me the other day, there was a comment on the video and they were like, I thought glueless meant no glue. And I had to explain, you know, technically the spray isn't glue. That's why we call it glueless. But in this video, I didn't even use any spray. So this is 100% completely glueless. This hair is beautiful. I have quite a few videos now for Recool Hair. So if you're interested in their hair, check the description box for the Recool playlist. But this unit is very full and very soft. This is 20 inches, but it is very long. It looks like a 22. I'll have the details for this particular wig in the description box, so be sure to check that out for all the details. But for this unit, I just went and I added some curls to this to give it that big, pretty body wave look. I did some different baby hairs. I've been trying to do different baby hairs as of lately. So I did something different with this. This was plucked and the knots were bleached prior to filming the video. So I already knew I wanted to do baby hairs because you see the baby hairs are sections. So you're going to see me add a little something to the lace throughout the video, but that was just lace spray tint because it looked a little white. I don't know if it was just on camera or just what I saw, but I had to add a little color. But that's what you see me add to it, and that was about it. Definitely check out Recool Hair. They have some phenomenal glueless wigs. I think the fact that they include that elastic band inside of the wig helps it stay secure. So that is vital when it comes to these glueless installs because you need security. If you're not going to use glue, you need something that's going to secure your wig, and the band does that. So once again, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see the finished look, just stay tuned to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in USDON. I get too crazy, had a little bad email. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making that way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just switched the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some free war strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the T and we throw it up. 4-4 while my nigga throw it up. If I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. Got no little baby, little bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your life for real. This my left on with a 32 man for real. Yeah, me and that nigga keep we be freaking together. And I show it on the hoodies and this damn hot ass weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know how that's feeling. Ain't no niggas on like me, your shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't care, that's cool. Singing my heart on this, my right on this fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And I don't gotta show my ass, so hold the flex on you. Santana, I'ma flex on you. Gotta show you my ass, so hold the flex on you. And what's the goodie, I'ma handle you. Babies, I want that way like a fucking ghost. And I know these niggas bad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. 4-4 while my nigga